If your Eurotherm EPC 3016 is locked up, acting erratically, or not responding after an auto-tune, a factory reset or cold start may be necessary. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of resetting your controller to its original factory settings. Once you have performed this factory reset, you must configure the quick start and analog settings before enabling the heat. Warning: operating the EPC 3016 at factory defaults will cause permanent damage to the heating element. To perform a cold start or factory reset on the Eurotherm EPC 3016, follow these steps. Step 1. Press and hold the menu key until level 3 shows on the screen. Step 2. Press the up key to navigate to the CONF screen. Step 3. Press the enter key. Use the up and down keys to enter the code 0004 and press enter to accept. Step 4. Use the menu key to scroll to INST. Press the enter key. Step 6. Use the up key to scroll to SEC. Step 7. Use the enter key to scroll to CFG.P. Step 8. Press and hold the up arrow until the screen displays 9,999. Step 9. Use the enter key to scroll to C.MEM. Step 10. Use the arrow up key to scroll to yes and press enter. The controller will return to the quick start menu. If you see this quick start screen, your controller has been reset. In the next video, we'll show you how to properly set up your Precision Fixtures hotbox to ensure safe operation and prevent damage to the heater.